We are back indoors cooking on the Chefman Indoor Smokeless Grill. Hey folks, welcome back. I tell you what, it's a pretty dreary, rainy day, kind of not overly cold, but I just don't want to fool with cooking outdoors. Plus, I've had a few questions on my Chefman Indoor Grill, and I want to address a couple of them today. So, I got some steaks we're going to cook on here, but first, I recently received a question concerned about the top grate on this. I don't remember who it was, and I apologize. As you know, despite how easy this non-stick surface is to clean, this underside, which is not non-stick, how hard it is to clean the food and stuff up underneath here. And be honest, I don't get a lot of food under here. You do get some oils and stuff. And honestly, I just use a brush like this and I just wash it soap and water just like I'm doing everything else. I don't want anything abrasive, especially on the front surface. So this side here, I just use a brush like this and soapy water, and it cleans it right up. It gets a little discolored, but there's a lot of heat going on underneath there. So with that in mind, let's get cooking, guys. I'm gonna address the second question in a minute. The second question was, how long does it take to cook ribeye steaks? We're gonna find out in this cook. We're cooking ribeyes, guys. As always, even before you plug this thing in, let's fill up our water pan. Never cook anything on here without water in this water pan. For one, that's what helps keep it smokeless. Smokeless. There's a magic line over here. That's your minimum water fill. That's where we want to get to. Add our grate. Then and only then do we plug this thing in. I'm going to turn this to about a medium high. We're going to cook some carrots on here first. Going to roast them. Get them going, and while we prep the steaks. It'll probably take a good 5-10 minutes to get it up to temp. So these are just some carrots Mama prepped up for me. Rub them down with some olive oil and just some salt, pepper, garlic. Just want to get these on because it's going to take them a little bit of time to cook. Give these guys a turn. And I'm going to try something I haven't tried before on here, just to see how it works out. And I got a 3-year-old running his laps for the night. Getting a little char on there. I don't know if this is a bad idea or not, but I got just a little foil. I'm just going to try to steam these guys. I'll let you know if it's a bad idea. Okay, these are a couple ribeyes I just picked up a little while ago at our local box store. And I ain't gonna say they're the greatest cuts of ribeye, but they're the best cuts they had in the bin there. So I went with them. I hand picked them myself, and let's see if we can get these seasoned up. We still got some carrots going over here, but while they're cooking up, we're gonna get these seasoned up and get them ready to go. For the oil, I'm just gonna use my, I don't know how to say it, Sang stir fry oil. I don't know if you can see that. Got some great garlicky taste in there. I actually forgot I had it in the cabinet, so I just wanted to use it. I don't want a lot on here, but this is the Grill Mates Brazilian Steakhouse. I'm really coming to love this stuff, guys. Really good. Y'all check it out if you haven't already. Some great flavors. But these, do it again. Bazings. These carrots are done. These bad boys are going on there. You know, I think this little steamer thing was a good idea. Got my oven behind me set to warm. Oh yeah, they're softening up. They'll probably get a little softer in the oven. But I'm just gonna keep these warm in the oven while we get this ready to cook some steaks. All right, this is going on full-blown high. I'm just gonna wipe this off with a damp cloth. I don't even know that that's necessary, but I want the carrots to be separate from the steaks. All right, I'm over 400 degrees. Another 420 down here, so I think we're ready for steaks, guys. Yes, here we go. The Chefman Indoor Smokeless Grill. I don't think I could fit 3 steaks on this guy. Okay, I'm setting my timer over here for 4 minutes per side. All right, let's see what these guys look like halfway in. We got some good cook lines going. Look at that. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty impressed so far. So 4 more minutes. All right, guys, it is time. Turn it off. Get these bad boys off here. They look gorgeous. Gonna let them rest a few minutes. I'm gonna feed my family, and I'll be back for a taste test. Hey guys, would you look at that goodness right there. Beautiful ribeye. A couple of these roasted carrots. Oops, that wasn't real gracious. Alright guys, let's see how we did here. Yeah, we got about a medium, a little bit overdone. I could have probably, no thicker than what these were, gone maybe 3 minutes, 3.5, but it smells amazing. Let's see how it tastes, guys. Very juicy. There's some pink in it. We're a good medium. I'd like to go a little bit more medium rare, but we can adjust that as we go. Very good, guys. Wow, that zings. I love that stuff. Those just a little garlicky flavor in there with that Brazilian steakhouse, man. That stuff is the bomb. I love that. That's really growing on me. We're going with another bite here, guys. Very tender. That right there is the reason that ribeye is my favorite cut of meat. Just because I showed you a little bit of it. I didn't want to concentrate on the carrots, but since I showed you some, I'm gonna take a bite of that for you too. Excellent. I love roasted carrots over a grill. I like mine not too soft. I like a little crunch, but that was almost perfect, and those are bigger carrots there. I hope I answered a question or two. About the cleaning. Cleaning is very easy on this as long as you don't wait too long. If you let, like anything else, if you let it go too long, it's going to be harder to clean. If you let it cool down enough to touch, go wash it. It's very easy to clean like anything else. So as far as food underneath, on the non-treated side, again, wash it as soon as it cools off to the touch and you'll be just fine. I've had no issues whatsoever, and I've had this little grill for about a little over a year, and I love it. I don't use it a lot in the summertime, obviously, because I'm outside cooking, but on these bad days where it's rainy, damp, and I just don't want to get out there, it's perfect. So guys, thank you. I appreciate you watching, and as always, please like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We'll be back next week, hopefully outside. We'll just have to play with the weather and see what's going on there. So until next time, guys, God love you, God bless you, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.